What's up, guys? This is Abi Talidin here, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video like this, you get notified instantly. In today's video, you are going to learn how to stay motivated. I will share the real secret behind lasting motivations and these exact tips I'm using that keep me going day by day. I've struggled with burnout, procrastinations, and lack of motivation just like you. But after years of trials and errors, I discovered the strategies that help me to stay consistent even on the hard day. I remember waking up one day, I feel completely drained. I had a long day to-do list, zero energy to start. I just decided to take just one step, and that action built my momentum. That day taught me that motivation is not something you wait for, it is something you create. So here are the 5 powerful tips I'll be walking you through today. The first tips: break down big goals into small steps. The second tips: find your why again. The third tips: visualize success. The fourth tips: surround yourself with positivities. The fifth tips: celebrate small wins. Let's start with the first tips. Break down big goals into small steps. Motivation is not magic. It comes after you start small. As Melody says, you are never going to feel like it, so go for it. Second tips: find your why again. When you forget your why, motivation fade. Write down each goals that matter to you, not to others. Look at it every day. Third tips: visualize success. Take a moment to picture your success. Take one step, get results, feel proud. Repeat the process, even if it's something tiny like making your bed or sending one email. The fourth tips: surround yourself with positivities. Stay around people and content that lift you up, whether it is inspiring podcasts or supportive friend. Positivity fuel motivation. Keep negativity at bay and focus on the good. The fifth tips: celebrate small win. You don't have to wait for the big win before you celebrate yourself. Celebrate every little step forward, whether it is learning something new or eating meaningless time. Recognizing small progress will keep you motivated to keep moving. Remember, it is okay to feel stuck sometimes. You are not alone and it is part of the journey. Break things down, find your why, visualize success, stay positive, celebrate small win. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment on how you stay motivated and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on personal growth and success. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.